everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through stand setup and installation for the MSI MAG. This is the MAG275CQRF QD 27-inch curved gaming monitor. If you're interested in this monitor or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, here's all the parts we're going to use for the stand today. We have 2 screws in a little baggie right here, and then we have our 2 pieces of the stand. These have tool-free installation, so we can go ahead and we'll just basically line this up, flip it over, and we'll fasten this in place. So just like this, come around. Now, again, tool-free, we can go ahead, line everything up, and just tighten it till it's firm and snug. If for some reason you wanted to use a tool, you can. Phillips head or flathead should work right there on that base piece. But now we have it fastened together. There's no wobble or anything else, and it can support itself upright. Now we'll be taking this and attaching it to the back of the monitor. It would actually just kind of gently slide right in place. We have these 2 little tabs up at the top right here that'll go up at the top of the monitor, and then it will just come back down. So just like that, and then it'll rest in place. It's not going to snap or clip or anything like that, so you will want to then take these 2 screws and drop them in on the back side right here of the monitor. Just take a Phillips head screwdriver and you can tighten both of those in place. With both screws fastened in place, now we can go ahead and stand the monitor up, and it supports itself on its own. Let's look at the stand features. So with this stand, we're able to adjust the height. This is the lowest height setting. This is the maximum height setting, or we could land somewhere in between. You'll notice if we want to swivel it to the left or to the right, we don't have that option to move it without physically moving the monitor. And then we can bring it all the way up, and you'll notice trying to rotate it 90 degrees portrait or vertical, we don't have that option with this monitor either. So we have the height adjustment and we have the tilt adjustment. There's max tilt back, there's max tilt forward. So let me show you that from the side. Max tilt down, max tilt back, or somewhere in between. That's a quick look and setup of our MSI 27-inch curved gaming monitor stand.